Water is an essential resource for all life on this planet. We use water in different ways throughout our daily lives. Some ways we use water at home are for showering, washing our hands, using the toilet, watering our plants, washing dishes, and of course drinking and cooking to keep our bodies hydrated. Because it is such a necessary resource for life, and it is a limited resource on Earth, it's important we are aware of our water usage and waste habits. One big way we can help with reducing and preventing water waste is by identifying leaks we may have in and around our home. Leaks can happen in different places where water flows. A water leak may seem insignificant and harmless, but over time, every drop adds up to a lot of water waste. For this investigation, we will need 2 cups, an eyedropper, and a timer. A clock, watch, or phone will work just fine for this. Walk around your home and identify all the water sources you have. This can also include water sources that may be right outside your front door, such as a hose and outdoor faucets. Now choose one source to investigate, such as your kitchen sink. Take a moment to observe any water leaks that may be immediately evident. If you don't see any, try turning on your water source and turning it off. Do you see any leaks? If you do see a leak, take one of your cups and place it under the leak to catch the water. Use a timer and time yourself for 1 minute as you collect all the water from that leak in your cup. Once the 1 minute is up, remove the cup and use your dropper to transfer the water into your empty cup, 1 drop at a time. This will take some patience. Be sure to count each drop. When you have completed transferring the water, write down your data, or information gathered expressed in numbers, on the observation chart provided. Continue collecting data for all the water sources in your home. If there are no water leaks in your home, that's great news. For the sake of this investigation, assume someone didn't turn the water off all the way, and follow the steps of collecting water and writing down your data on the observation chart. You can give any water collected to a thirsty plant. If we know how many drops leaked in 1 minute, how can we use that information to estimate how many drops will leak in 1 hour? What about 1 day and 1 year? We can use multiplication to find out. Specifically, we can use the standard algorithm to multiply multi-digit numbers. But what's a standard algorithm? And what are multi-digit numbers? A standard algorithm is a step-by-step way to solve a problem. Multi-digit numbers are exactly that, numbers with multiple digits in them, such as 45 or 1097. We will be using a step-by-step process to multiply numbers that have multiple digits. Here I know that in 1 minute I collected 45 drops of water from my leaky kitchen faucet. To find how many drops would leak in 1 hour, I have to think about how many minutes are in 1 hour. I know 1 hour has 60 minutes. I can take 45 drops and multiply that by 60 minutes to find out how many drops will leak in 1 hour. I can set up my problem to read vertically as 45 times 60 or 60 times 45. Either way will work. If you need it, be sure to take out a multiplication chart or any MathFacts resource to help you practice this skill. I will be multiplying 45 and 60 using the standard algorithm, beginning with multiplying 45 by the ones place in 60. 5 ones times 0 ones is 0 ones. 4 tens times 0 ones is 0 tens. Now I can multiply 45 by the tens place in 60. Since I will be multiplying a new place value, I will begin in a new row. And since I am multiplying by the tens place, I will begin in the tens place as well. That is why I can place a 0 in the ones place value here. 5 ones times 6 tens is 30 tens. I can only place 1 digit in each place value, so I will place a 0 in the tens place and regroup the 3 in the hundreds place, like this. I will come back to it later. 4 tens times 6 tens is 24 hundreds. I will place the 4 in the hundreds place and regroup the 2 in the thousands place. Now I can add everything together. Remember the 3 I regrouped earlier? I can now add it with the 4 to get 7, and 2 plus nothing is 2. In 1 hour, my kitchen faucet will leak about 2,700 drops. That's a lot of water waste. Gather your materials and try it out. If you do have leaks in your home, what can you and your family do to address this issue? Sometimes it's as simple as remembering to turn off the faucet all the way. Sometimes a few more tools are needed to fix the leaky problem. Share your data with a parent or trusted adult to help reduce and stop any water waste that may be happening in your home.